Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying to make a little purse to go along with some other things that I am making, and I'm using Maymay Made It tutorial. Hope you all are doing well today. I'm just going to go ahead and score it. One side score is 1/2 inch, 4 1/2 inch, 7 1/2, and 11 1/2. Then you turn your paper and you go 3 3/4 and 8 1/4. Okay. Now you're gonna cut it. Of course, you don't need to see me do a tutorial if you watched her and you know how to make it. I'm just going over it really quickly and then I'll come back. All right, and now I'm just going to fold some stuff, the pieces, and we'll get started, okay? Okay, so I measured wrong, I think, on the other one, so I have to redo it. And so now what we're going to do is we're just going to crease all our creases except for the 1/2 inch. Well, we're going to crease all of them. So I already cut it down. I'm just creasing the creases. You probably know how to make a purse already, and you've probably made purses before, so yay. All right, let's see. All right, everything's creased down. I'm going to fold these little ones over too. I hope you all are doing well. I am okay. I can't complain, really. Every time I do this purse, I always say I'm gonna get some double-sided paper. And here we are with no double-sided paper. I guess I could be fancy and put a liner in, but I'm not that fancy, right? All right, so I think I always do mine a little bit different than how Maymay does hers, but I always get the same results. But this time I'm going to try my hardest to not screw this up. So now I have these two sides, so I'm going to fold these up. So what I'm going to do is put some wet glue right here on this side. You can use whatever kind of glue or adhesive that you want. I'm just using some wet glue. I normally would have just pulled out the other glue that I've been using, but I put it in the box somewhere. I've been moving stuff around, and yeah. The need to craft supersedes, well, my need to craft, I'm not sure about other people, but my need to craft supersedes glue, right? It's okay. It's not the worst thing I've ever done, misplaced some crafty stuff. So now I'm just going to apply some pressure and use my scoring tool to get the glue to be friends with each other. And now we have a box. No. And I'm just going to apply that. And now I'm going to fold this little flip again. This tiny little piece right there. And I'm going to apply some more wet glue. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling over here. And I want to make sure I get the edges. Oh, come on, Brandy. Get it together. Because I normally forget my edges when I'm using glue, because you know it has that seepage. And that's another good reason to use adhesive tape, right? But I still do it on adhesive tape as well. So, I mean, you know, it is what it is. But I think the glue gives it a longer lasting hold than adhesive. I could be wrong. So now I'm just going to fold this little piece right there over and apply more pressure. And then I'll do the other side. Okay, so she gives you directions to make some purse straps. So this is how it looks once we're finished. And I'm using this paper. It's supposed to be 1/2 inch by 11, so I just need to trim it down, and this is how it will look once we get the sides all ready to go. What I have done is I just took a inch paper and folded it over to make it 1/2 inch so that the straps could be a little bit more sturdy, since I'm not using double-sided paper. And that's what I did with this one. This is 1/2 inch, and all I did was just take these two and do just like that. So that's what I'm going to do. And then once I finish and I get it down to the appropriate size, I'm going to take a strip of tape and put it down there so it can be stuck together. Okay, so I pulled out some Distress ink, and I am just distressing the edges some of the flap for the bag as well as the straps. Right here. Of course, they're not super perfect, but they will do for now, because I want to put some other stuff on it. So you'll have to stick around and see how well or not well I see my vision through. All right. All right. To get my flap portion to fold over more, I'm just going to take this glue stick and roll it over. And I'm going to leave this little part unrolled. And there we go. And I'm going to attach it just like that. I don't know what size this is because this is from a previous attempt that I screwed up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the glue and I'm just going to rub it on here. I'm not too concerned. Oh, hold on. I may have to be concerned about the measurements, huh? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I have to be concerned about the measurements. Well, yep, let me cut that down just a little bit. All right, that should be enough space to get my straps on. So now I'm going to apply some glue. And I want it to be all the way on the edge. Because nothing like having a cute purse and then it start falling apart, right? That's what happened to me. I have a blue purse with like gold trim. And it's like a lot of hardware and buckles and bolts and stuff on there. And I saw a screw in the purse. I was like, I know I didn't take any wood pieces apart and bring them with me. And then I saw the other piece and I was like, oh, are you serious? This purse is falling apart. And you know, the problem is when, well, I don't know about you all, but I buy purses, I guess on a whim, I guess you could say. Yeah, that's going to be great, just like that. So now we're just going to use my thumb tool again. Okay, so this is good and dry almost. I do have some Velcro. I was gifted some Velcro and some Happy Mail, but guess what? I didn't know I was gonna make a purse, so I didn't bring it. I didn't get it out. Ugh. So I have to use that later. But I have these buttons that I think will look cute on here. I need to shine this one up really quickly. Yeah. So this button right here will be the front button. It's going to just be there for show because I'm going to Velcro it. And then on top of the straps, where our straps are, we're going to put this button in the front. And these two will go in the back. Of course, they don't match, right? I can never find 4. If I'm looking for 6, I can only find 4. I'm looking for 3, I can only find 2. I'm looking for 1, I can find none. So go ahead and cut off the shank on this one. Ugh. Thick. So I'll cut the shanks off and come back. I'm going to put the front shank on, the front button portion on first. And the reason why is because I want to make sure that I cut this down well enough. And if I need, I'm going to apply hot glue all the way around. So wish my fingers luck, right? All right, so here we go. This little glue gun, I think, has an automatic cutoff because I had this thing on for a long time yesterday, and I didn't use it as much as I needed to. And because I found an alternative to it. I think I'm gonna do it. I think this looks good, just like that. Yep. So I'm just gonna apply some pressure, and hopefully it'll stay on. It's a little bit crooked, but that's too late now, right? And just for fun, I guess you could say we're going to use some tape to hold it down for now. And then when I get the Velcro sticky pieces, I'll Velcro it in. Uh-oh. So yeah, it's going to be right there. Why is it crooked? Goodness. Just like that. I know what you guys are thinking. Brandy, it's crooked because you did it right. So I'm going to do some hot glue right here as well. Although, you know what? No, I'm not going to do hot glue. I'm going to do some daggone simple, even though I didn't already beat up the shanks. I'm going to do some cute, simple little brads because that's what I have them for to use. So let me go ahead and poke holes. Okay, so I know I said I was going to use the brads, but I can use them for another time, right? Because I felt like, you know, Brandy, you didn't already cut the shanks off. You already did this and this and this. Why not go ahead and use them? And then I tuck the purse on the inside, and it just looks better. But I think these rabbit ear, these straps don't look so great with it. Maybe across the shoulder strap, I don't know. So, and I use hot glue, of course. You already know that, don't you? Because now it looks kind of weird. Let's see. So we could just pull them back out, I guess, if we wanted to, and do this. And I think it looks better like that with the straps, I guess. And then on the back we have these little buttons. So it's 3 different buttons all together in this cute little purse. I do plan on putting stuff in there, just not today. I'm going to make a tassel on another video. So I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. And let me know if you make purses. What do you alter? I think I always change how she does these right here. I saw another beautiful purse that I want to try on Pinterest that I definitely will be attempting at a later time. Until next time, happy crafting.